In the Synergy EDX system or the Ultra Pro S100 system, there are two programs to perform volitional single fiber EMG examination. The SFEMG volitional program offers the new interface which is quite familiar to the Viking users. The SFEMG volitional (V15) offers the interface from the old Synergy software. Many who have used that system for a long time may want to stay with the old interface. There is absolutely no difference in the data analysis capabilities or the algorithms used by the two programs. They differ mainly on when you start collecting data, when you stop collecting data, and how to review the data. In other words, whether you use the new interface or the old interface, there is no loss of functionality. In this video, I'm going to describe performing single fiber EMG examination using the older version. The Viking style interface is described in a companion video.